In this video, I will go through the initial launch and setup procedure of AvanTax eForms. When you first launch eForms, a window will come up asking you to register eForms with your 9-character authorization code. Enter your code to access your copy of eForms, or leave it blank to access the trial version. After you complete the setup, you will be asked to log into eForms. Enter the username admin as shown on this screen, and leave the password blank. Click OK to continue. A window will open up allowing you to create a password for this account. Enter a password or leave it blank to add no password. Next, you will be asked to provide file paths for your settings, data storage, and output folders. Unless you have alternatives, we recommend leaving the paths as the default. Once you are happy with the file paths, click Next. We will stop here for now. Thank you for listening to this AvanTax eForms Quick Help video tutorial. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.